Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss Fundamental Operations Part 1, Exercise 14A. So come to the point, question number 2, Roman 2. The question is Roman 3, simplification. 4m plus 2m minus m plus 2m minus 2m. So 4m plus 2m addition, 4 plus 2 6m minus m plus 2m minus 2m. Plus 2m and minus 2m cancelled each other. The result is 0. Now 6m minus m. M means 1m. So 6 minus 1, 5m is the answer of this question. Okay. Question number 3, Roman 3. The question is addition. P plus Q, column wise addition. 3p plus 4q. Addition. Now 3p plus p. P means 1p. 3 plus 1, 4p. 4q plus q. Q means 1q. 4 plus 1, 5. So 4p plus 5q is the answer of this question. Next is that 3 Roman 4 minus 6x minus 2 minus x minus 5. Add. Okay. Now when you add the two negative signs, so what you have to do, you have to add them, but the sign should be negative. So if you add 6x with 1x, 6 plus 1, 7x. But the sign should be negative. In the similar way, minus 2 minus 5, when you add these two numbers, then you have to add 2 with 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, but the sign should be negative. So the answer is minus 7x minus 7. Come to the next one, that is Roman 6 minus c square plus 7c minus 4c square plus 8c. Here also you have to add these two. In the similar way, when the two negative signs are lying side by side or column wise, you have to add them. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, the result is 5. So 5c square, but the sign should be negative. And here is a simple addition. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. And the coefficient is c. So the answer is minus 5c square plus 15c. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 4 Roman 2. The addition. 5a square minus 2ab minus 9b square minus a square plus 4ab minus b square. So here 5 minus 1. Plus and minus, the operation should always be subtraction. So 5 minus 1, the result is 4. Now what should be the sign? You see, if you consider the absolute value, here the absolute value is plus 5 and here the absolute value is minus 1. So the sign of the absolute value whose value is more, that is 5, and the sign before 5 is plus. So that should be plus 4a square. If you do not give any sign before that number, it implies it's a positive one. Now you see that minus 2ab plus 4ab. Plus minus you have to subtract. Now 4 minus 2, the result is 2. So 4ab minus 2ab, the result is 2ab. But what should be the sign? Consider the absolute value. Here minus 2 and plus 4. So plus 4, absolute value of plus 4 is more than minus 2. The sign should be plus. Next is that minus 9b square minus b square. The simple way, when the two or more negative sign are lying side by side, you have to add them, but the sign should be negative. So 9 plus 1, so 10. So the answer is here 4a square plus 2ab minus 10b square. Consider 4 Roman 3. 4 Roman 3. X square minus 3x plus 4. 4x square minus 2x plus 7 minus x square plus 5x minus 2. Now you see here plus x square minus x square plus 1 minus 1. The result is 0. So you can cancel out these two. So here only left 4x square. Now you see minus 3x minus 2x. So minus minus plus, but the sign should be negative. So if you add 3x with 2x, it gives the result 5x. But actually the result is minus 5x. Minus 5x plus 5x. So it cancelled out each other. Now you see that one. 4 plus 7, 11. Plus 11, minus 2. Plus 11, minus 2. So 11 minus 2. The result is plus 9. So the answer is here 4x square plus 9. Now let us consider the next one. The question is find the sum of. Question number 5, Roman 2. Find the sum of. Now to do that one, give a bracket that should be easy for you for the simplification work. 3y square minus 4y plus 5. After that a comma is there. So put a positive sign, plus sign. Then within the bracket 2y square minus 7y minus 1. Again comma is there, so give a plus sign and use the third one within the first bracket, y square minus 3y minus 5. Now the step 2, remove the bracket. 3y square minus 4y plus 5. Whenever there is a positive sign before the bracket, then when you remove the bracket, just put the sign before the number what it is given. Do not change the sign if the positive sign is there outside the bracket. Just remove the bracket and write the numbers as it is given within the bracket. So plus 2y square minus 7y minus 1 plus y square minus 3y minus 5. Now, arrange the terms in such a way that the like terms should be all together. So here like terms 3y square plus 2y square plus y square. Now the next like terms minus 4y minus 7y minus 3y and then plus 5 minus 1, minus 5. Now you see plus 5 and minus 5, it cancelled each other. Now 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6y square. Now minus 4y, minus 7y, minus 3y. All the like terms but with the negative sign. So just simple add them. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So that should be 14y, but the sign should be negative. And then the remaining term, that is minus 1. So the answer of this addition, 6y square minus 14y minus 1. Okay, come to today's last sum, 6 Roman 2. Here it is the simplification. It is given 3y square minus 6 minus 2y plus y square minus 3y plus 7 minus y square minus 4y again minus y square plus 5. Okay. Now arrange the like terms. 3y square, then plus y square, after that minus y square, then again minus y square, after that minus 2y, then minus 3y, then minus 4y, after that minus 6 plus 7, minus 6 plus 7, minus 6 plus 7, then plus 5. Plus y square minus y square cancelled out automatically. Now 3y square minus y square, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the result is 2y square. Now minus 2y, minus 3y, minus 4y. You have to add them. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So here it is minus 9y. Then minus 6, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 2y square minus 9y. Now minus 6 plus 12. So you have to subtract 6 from 12. 12 minus 6. The result is 6. The absolute value of plus 12 is more than the absolute value of this one is 12. Now you see that minus 6 plus 12. So 12 minus 6, the result is plus 6 because the absolute value of 12 is more than the 6 and the sign of 12 is here plus. So here it is the answer of this question, 2y square minus 9y plus 6. So today